Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear functions. And the lessons we're going to cover are compare linear functions, graph tables and equations, standard form, find x and y intercepts, standard form graph and equation, and equations of horizontal and vertical lines. So here I am on grade 9 math. The chapter we're working on is linear functions. Let's just start the lesson, that is compare linear functions, graphs, tables and equations. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so you are given a function and a graph. You have to see if both the functions are linear function, right? Basically, linear function means if a function have a straight line, that means the function is a straight line, right? And the other thing is you have to see function A and function B are linear. What you have to see? You have to see which statement is true. The slope of function A is greater than slope of function B, and the slope of function A is less than function B. So the question is about the slopes of both the graph and the equation. So let's just see the slope of equations. For function B, the slope is 2. For function A, let's just find a slope. 1, 2, 3, 4. The slope of function A is 4. That means the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, function A and function B are linear functions. Which statement is true? Okay, the statement is about the slopes of the functions. Let's just calculate the slope. For this one, the slope is m equals 5 from here. Now for this one, the slope is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 divided by 2. The slope of this one is 4 and the slope of this one is 5. That means the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Got it? The correct option is slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, function A and function B are linear functions. So, yes, you have to see the slopes. Okay, so the slope for this one is m equals 4 and slope for this one is m equals 2 over 1, that is 2. So that means slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Got it? The correct option is slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option number A is the correct option. Got it? Function A and function B are linear. So which is the correct option? The slope of function A is less than function B. Option number B is the correct option. The slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Got it? Function A and function B are linear functions. So just evaluate their slopes and see. The slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number. Yes, very good. B is the correct option. The correct option is slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option number A is the correct option, right? The slope of function A, yes, very good. The correct option is the slope of function A is less than function B. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? The correct option is the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. So option number A is the correct option. A is the correct option. Got it? The slope of function A is less than function B. The correct option is option B. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is Standard form find x and y intercepts. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Okay, we are given with the equation that is 2x minus 5 equals 5, right? So you have to calculate the y-intercept, right? So whenever we are going to calculate the y-intercept of an equation, we know that x must be 0, right? So just substitute the x in the point 0, right? That is 2 times 0 minus y equals 5, so y equals negative 5, and y is the y-intercept. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Find the x-intercept of the following equation. So basic thing is intercept means y is 0, right? And the y-intercept means x is 0. For this one, you have to calculate the x-intercept, right? That means y must be 0. So just substitute y equals 0. So you will have your x-intercept. That is x minus 6 times 0 equals 8. 6 times 0 is 0. X equals 8. You have to calculate the x-intercept. When x-intercept, put y equals 0. When you have to calculate the y-intercept, put x equals 0. So the question is x equals 8. Got it? Find the y-intercept of the following equation. You have to calculate the y-intercept. You need to put x equals 0, right? Yes, the y-intercept is 0 for this equation. Find the x-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So which is the correct option? You have to put y equals 0. So yes, x equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Find the y-intercept of the following equation. The equation is 2x minus y equals 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is negative 5. The y-intercept is negative 5. So you have to calculate the y-intercept, put x equals 0 in the equation and solve for. Yes, the correct option is 5. The x-intercept is 5. Okay, the next one is find the x-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. You have to calculate x-intercept. That means you need to put y equals 0, right? Yes, the correct option is 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, the next one is find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is negative 5. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is standard form graph and equation. Okay, so you are given the equation in standard form. How do you graph the equation? So whenever you are given with the equation in the standard form, you can calculate their x and y intercepts, right? So for example, you are given 2x minus 3y equals 6. So you have to calculate the x and y intercept. For x intercept, you need to put y equals 0 in the equation. 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 6. 2x equals 6, x equals 3. That is x-intercept, right? For y-intercept, you need to put y equals 0. So that is 2x equals 6 and 2 times 3 is 6, right? So the correct option is 3x equals 3. So you have 2 points now. X equals 3. Here is x equals 3, right? Then you have another point, that is y is 0 and x equals 3. So you their point of intersection is here. That means the graph look like this. So the basic thing you have to learn here is how do we plot the graph when the equations are given in general form. If the then just plot both the intercepts on the graph and make a graph. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, you don't have questions, just the tutorials you have. So let's just do more examples, right? Okay. Okay, the first 2x plus 7y equals negative 94. So whenever you are given the equation in standard form, just calculate the x and y intercepts. So for x-intercept, you need to put y equals 0. So that would be y is 0. Then 2x equal negative 14, x equals negative 7. Now for y-intercept, put x equals 0. So just plot them. X equals negative 7 and y equals negative 2. Here it is negative 2. So their point of intersection must be here, right? Now this is the equation. Got it? No, sorry. This is negative 7 and negative 2. You have to make a line that connect these 2 points, right? Sorry, I can't make the straight line on the board, but you have to make a line that just connect these two, x-intercept and the y-intercept. Here it is, right? Negative 2 and negative 7. Got it? So the thing here is when you are given with the standard equation in standard form and you have to plot the graph. How do you plot the graph? You have to find the x-intercept of the equation and the y-intercept of the equation. Just plot the x-intercept and the y-intercept on the graph and join them to make a line. Okay, the next lesson is equations of horizontal and vertical line. Okay, if is the graph of this equation a horizontal or a vertical line, you are given y equals negative 7, right? So that means here is y equals negative 7, right? All the points are on the same line. So that is the horizontal line, right? Whenever you are given the equation like y equals something, that would be horizontal line, right? So the correct option is horizontal line. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, look at this graph. You are given the graph. The question is write the equation of the line. Okay, here is the equation of the line, right? And the line passes through x equals -1, right? So the equation for this line is x equals -1. The second one is the correct option. Got it? You have to write down the equation for this graph, right? Yes, just see the graph is passing through y equals 6, right? So that means the graph is y equals 6, right? Like because the graph is touching the y-axis, so that must be y equals 6. Got it? The next one is look at this graph and write the equation of the line. So which is the correct option? Which is the equation of the line? That is x equals 6 is the correct option. Got it? Is the graph of the equation a horizontal or a vertical line? Which is the correct option? The equation given is y equals -10. So the correct option is that must be a horizontal line. The correct option is option number A because y equals -10. So the line must be horizontal. Is the graph of the equation, this equation, a horizontal or vertical line? X equals -3. So which is the correct option? That is x equals -3. So it must be a vertical line. Option B is the correct option. Look at this graph. Write the equation of the line. So which is the correct option? That is x equals 3. The correct option is x equals 3. Look at this graph. Write the equation of the line. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is y equals 8. Is the graph of the equation a horizontal or a vertical line? The correct option is the equation given is y equals negative 7, right? So that must be a horizontal line. Option A is the correct option. Horizontal line it is. Is the graph of the this equation a horizontal or a vertical line? Y equals negative 7. That is the vertical line. What's wrong with this one? Look at this graph. Write the equation of the line. So which is the correct option? That is y equal negative 6, right? The correct option is y equals negative 6. Look at this graph. Write the equation of the line. So which is the correct option? That is y equals negative 2. Got it? The correct option is y equals negative 2. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is linear functions, and the lessons we have covered today are compare linear functions, graphs, tables, and equations. Standard form, find x and y intercepts. Standard form, graph and equation, and equations of horizontal and vertical lines. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any questions. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.